Hey guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Black Ops 6 Hueneme Negev error. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now if you're having problems with Black Ops 6 here and you're getting this error here, well, there are a few things that you could try here. So we actually found a solution here on a platform, and according to the user here, you could do the following. So by the way, this issue is caused by some bugs or problem in the network files for Black Ops 6. So in this case, what you need to do. So according to this user, what you need to do is you need to connect your PS5 or your console into a, like for example, a mobile phone internet. So in this case, you might need to set up a hotspot on your phone. So depending on the model of your phone that you have, you might need to refer to your manual for this one. But in this case, once you've set up hotspot, you need to connect your console or your PS5 here directly to the hotspot. Now, what you need to do next is you need to log in into PS5 or in this case, the COD here. And from then on, once you've logged in and once you've entered in there, so preferably in the homepage here, you could go ahead and basically disconnect from your hotspot and back directly to your original internet. So according to this user, this actually worked. So no idea actually how it actually works for this one, but this is just a temporary fix while the release future updates or patches on the game itself. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to your lineup. Thank you for watching.